Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, to get started, you want to open up Settings. There is no toggle for it in the notification panel, so you need to go into the Sound and Vibration. And from here, we should see, there we go, the Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on it, and you can simply toggle it on from here, or you can set it up as a schedule right here, so you can set a start time and end time and select each day of the week that you want it to function during. And honestly, that's all the settings we have. Now, alternatively, I could also, if you want to put your device into Do Not Disturb mode, kind of mode, you can just simply disable Wi-Fi if you don't have mobile data. Disabling Wi-Fi will disconnect you from anything else, so basically has the same result. But anyway, as you just seen, all you need to do is simply toggle it on and off from here, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.